Hey everyone, this is Asim from the Programming Geek. Now this is the first video of Android app development series. Now in this video I will show you how you to create your first Android application in Android Studio. So just start the Android Studio, then start new Android Studio project, and give the Android Studio project application name. I'll give it as first app, then company name you can provide as your companyname.com. I will give my website company name. My website is mdasim.xyz, so I will provide mdasim.xyz. Then package name, it will generate by default. You can edit by clicking it here. You can edit the package name. I will keep it as it is and click next. Then select for which Android device you want to develop your app. By default it will phone and tablet is selected. You can also select Android Wear, Android TV, Android Auto, Android Glass. Then select the minimum SDK version. It shows the on which Android device that's having Android version that is minimum. Older than this your app will be not compatible. So I will select Jelly Bean because it's approximately 95% of devices compatible. If you select the minimum SDK as Jelly Bean, then click next. Then select your first activity type. Okay, so there are various types as Google Map activity, empty activity, basic activity, full screen activity, Google AdMob activity, that's for ads. So I will just create new empty activity. You can create as many activities you want. After creating your project, first you have to specify your first activity. So I will create activity name, then layout name. Both I will keep it as it is, then create finish. This will create your project, Android project. It may take some time to create a new project. Here it is, the project is created. Here is your app files. That is all the resources of the project is app is stored in the resource file, resource directory. Layout is in the layout directory, and your Java file is activity, that is the .java file, or class file is in the Java folder, and then your package name, and then here it is our main activities Java file, class file, and it is the layout. The text view by default.
And it's the Android main configuration file is the Android manifest file. It contains all the configurations for your Android application. That is the which activity is the launcher activity. A launcher activity is your activity which is started when you start your app. So we have only one activity, so it has a launcher activity. Then your app name, package name, so it contains your configurations in the Android manifest file. So we will just run this app. First I will change the text of this text view to the Programming Geek. I will change also the text size, so Android text size, I will give it 30 sp. So let's click on this run button to run this app into your
virtual device emulator. So if you don't have created yet the virtual device, click on new virtual device, then select phone, then Nexus. I will select your device. I will select Nexus 5, then next, then select which Android version you want. I will select Marshmallow, then next, and give the name to your Android virtual device, then click finish. I have already created the Android virtual device. So then select your created virtual device. My Android virtual device already running, so I will select my Android virtual device, then click OK. This will build the project and will install your app into the emulator. Starting your app in the emulator may take some time. I'm going to make a complete Android development series. This is the first video to just show you how to build your first Android application in Android Studio. So it's installing the Android app into the emulator. Here you can see our app has been started. We have given the text view as well as a text the programming geek. So that's it. We have created your first Android application and try to run it in the emulator. Please subscribe for more Android videos. This is the only first video. More videos coming on Android app development. I'm going to make the complete series of Android app development. So please subscribe. Thank you for watching.